Okay, now we are going to solve question number 9 from MIT Integration B Qualifying 2020. And the question is calculate integral from 0 to 2 pi of cosine to the 2020 power of x dx. Very common to use the year of the problem as one of the question. And because this is very big number, it's going to be some tricks to solve this integral. So let's do this, and I'm going to rewrite this as integral of 0 to 2 pi of cosine 2019 of x multiplied by cosine of x dx. And I'm going to use integration by parts, and here is our u and this is our dv. Okay, now let's collect all the parts. So u is equal to cosine to the 2019 power, and so we can differentiate both sides. So du is equal to minus 2019 sine of 2018 of x. Sorry, this is not sine, this is cosine multiplied by sine x dx. And for the dv part, we have dv is equal to cosine of x dx. And so v will be integrating this part, so we will have sine of x. Okay, now we plug this into this formula. uv is equal integral of u dv. Sorry, uv minus integral v du. Okay, let's plug all of this into this. So we will have uv, u is this and v is this, so we will have cosine of 2019 x multiplied by sine x, and the limits of integration is from 0 to 2 pi minus integral of 0 to 2 pi, and then v is sine x and du is this one. So sine x multiplied by sine x will be sine squared x, and this minus sign will cancel out to become positive sign. So we will have 2019 sine squared x cosine 2018 of x dx. Okay, and we can put the 2019 outside the integral sign. Okay, and let's erase this because we don't need this anymore. And let's evaluate the first term here. We will have this, and this is the limit of integration, 2 pi and 0. And if we plug 2 pi into sine x, it will be 0. And if we plug 0 into sine x, it also will be 0. So this will cancel out, and this will equal to 0. And we only need to worry about this second term here, this integral. So we will have that one will be 2019 integral of 0 to 2 pi, and we can rewrite sine squared x as 1 minus cosine squared x, and this multiplied by cosine to the 2018 power of x dx. And let's work on this. We will have 2019 integral from 0 to 2 pi and this will be cosine of 2018 of x dx, no, minus cosine of x to the 2020 dx. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think that's right. No problem here. And we can split this into two integrals. So we will have 2019 integral of 0 to 2 pi cosine 2018 of x minus 2019 integral of 0 to 2 pi cosine 2020 of x dx. And this is the original problems here. So okay, let's move this to the left hand side. So we will have this plus this will be 2020 integral of 0 to 2 pi cosine to the 2020 power of x dx, and this will equal to 2019 integral of 0 to 2 pi cosine 2018 of x dx. Okay, and we can divide both sides by 2020, so we will have this here. This is 2019 divided by 2020. Okay, let's stop here and erase the board, and let's see what we get here. Okay, so far we got this integral is equal to this integral, and this is similar problem, and we can do same thing again and again and again and again until we reach of cos to the square x, cos squared x. And for 2018 this will be 2017 divided by 2018. Yeah, I think from the same process as we did before. So here we will have 2019 divided by 2020 multiplied by 2017 divided by 2018, and we will have integral of 2 pi cosine of 2016 of x dx. And we can continue this process all the way down until cosine of square x. So we will have okay, 2015 divided by 2016 all the way until we have 3/4 integral of 0 to 2 pi of cosine of square x dx. Wow. Okay, this will be some big constant. So yeah, let's rename this to make it compact. So I will name A is equal to 2019 times 2017 times all the way until we have 3 and 1, and B is the denominator, so I will have 2020 times 2018 all the way until I will have 4, and I will have 4. Okay, that's Okay, so I can rewrite this as a over b times 0 to 2 pi cosine square x. Okay, now to do the cosine integral of cosine square x dx, we need to do trigonometric identities. Here will be a over b, and cosine of square x is 1/2 times cosine of 2x plus 1, and we can remove this 1/2 outside the integral, and we can redefine a and b as p over q, and this will be p over q of, okay, this is 1/2 sine 2x plus x, and it will be from 2 pi over 0, not 2 pi over 0, from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, let's evaluate this. Sine 2x, sine of 2 times 2 pi is sine of 4 pi, and that will be 0. Sine 0 is also 0, so this term will cancel out into 0, and we only need to take care of this x. So I will have this one, p over q multiplied by 2 pi. And our p is this number and our q is this number. Okay, let's see if we can simplify this into nicer looking number. Let's erase the board and start again. Okay, so far we have this integral of 0 to 2 pi of cosine of 2020 power of x dx is equal to p over q times 2 pi, with p and q is this one, and I want to simplify this into a good looking number. And let's see. So we have all this number, and if we take a look here, this is only the even number and this is only the odd number, and if we multiply both of them, we get all the numbers. So we get p multiplied by q will be 2020 times 2019 all the way until 1, and this is 2020 factorial. So if we multiply the numerator by q, we will get 2020 factorial here, and divided by, in order not to change the value, we need to multiply the denominator also by q, and we got this one. And we only need to take care about this denominator because in the numerator we already get 2020 factorial. Okay, now let's take a look at q. Q is all even numbers, and we can rewrite all of this as this 2 times 1010 multiplied by 2 times 1009 all the way until 2 times 1. So we have 10,010 too, so this will be this one, and then we will have 1010 1009 all the way until 1, and this will be this number times 1010 factorial. So we can plug this into this, so I will have 2020 factorial divided by 2 to the 1010 power times 2020 factorial, and we do this twice, and we multiply this by 2 pi. Okay, now let's regroup all of this, all the factorial here, 2020 divided by 1010 and 1010, And then here we will have 2 pi divided by 2 to the 2020 power. And this is a combination, so we can rewrite this as 2020 divided by 1010. Why can we pronounce this 1010? I don't know. And this one, 2 divided by this will be pi over 2 to the 2019. And this is our final answer. It's a nice looking number. Okay, not nice, but quite nice looking number. And let me know if I make any mistakes in the calculation, and thanks for watching.